Right now I just got my tires. We're gonna go get them right now. They just dropped them off. So we just got them, guys. They look nice. Got 33s by 1250 R17. So we already got them, guys. We're gonna go mount them and balance them. We're gonna change these for the 33s. I got them on Amazon. They were like 1,000 for 4. They have a lot of thread here, so we're gonna go do that and see how it looks. So we're gonna go mount them, guys, and balance. Right now I'm gonna go to my local tire shop and we're gonna see how much they charge me. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to sell those and see what I can get. So there it is, guys. I already got them mounted and balanced. They're very aggressive tires. More videos like this, like, subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching.